I'm here with Carol in the Clover booth, and we're talking about these little wonder clips. Krynit carries them, and a lot of needleworkers buy them for holding the edge of their fabric, maybe binding it or holding the edge of their needlepoint canvas. But we've been talking about all kinds of other ways to use them, and she's even wearing some. Show me what you've got up here. She's got one of the jumbo clips.
They're great if you have the black hole of Calcutta under your sofa cushions, the way I do. You're only going to have to lose this one time.
This is a little
this is our picot gauge.
Picot gauge for tatting.
They come in different sizes, but they easily will slip under your cushions. So I only lost mine once before I learned that that was not the thing I wanted to spend my time doing. I would rather spend my time making things. So I went to my local craft store and I bought some little magnetic catches for bracelets from the bead department. And I got some sturdy jump rings and I put them on the end of them. And I don't
attaches right there to your wonder clip.
Don't ever have to hunt for them again.
I love that. That's such a great idea. It's a great, you can put a little magnet on your scissors or whatever, needle or I don't know, anything. Just clip that right to your sweater. Or tell me what you did. You said you made some cording.
If you take a cord and make a little friendship bracelet, which I'm just going to pretend that I've made one right here.
We have a custom quarter tool that's fabulous.
There you go. And you can clip a small little wonder clip right to that.
And then
also
use the magnet part.
It's right there in your hand.
Love it. Brilliant. Great use of wonder clips. She was telling me that knitters can also use them to, kind of hold parts of their garments when they're working it. But I just love that you can wear them and it'll hold on to things. The little magnet part holds on to things.
Please don't ask me how many times I've actually worn this to the grocery store.
I bet. And it also, you can use it on your paper, your chip bag when you're eating chips.
That's right. It'll close up your M&M bag when you're...
Great idea. Wonder clips. And they come in two sizes, a small and a jumbo.
They come in small and jumbo, and there's a brand new one on the market that's not even off the boat yet.
Ooh.
The tiny little mini wonder clip, which will be here shortly.
Excellent. Thank you.